Hello everyone, I am here to share you one of my coaching experiences. Well, Incredible You by Coach Sam is one of the best program I have ever participated. It is masterfully built in every way that it helps transformation in every aspect of your life. When I first started up this program, I wasn't all aware about the transformation I was in for. The first session itself has sparked a forever excitement and inspired me to go deeper and learn more about myself. Throughout the entire program, I have come to know and understand the guiding principles of my life. I learned what my strengths are and how to overcome my weaknesses. One thing this program rebuilt inside me was self-confidence, which I usually lacked. I always used to feel that I would mess up making decisions, but this no longer holds true. Thank you for Incredible You. Well, it made an inner child inside me come out. I was reminded of how to love self. I'm able to restart my work on passion and my skill set with interest, and I find joy in them. I was expertly and astoundingly guided by him throughout this program by my coach Sam. I thoroughly enjoyed this program. It is him who truly finds the hidden gem within you and brings it to light. This coaching primarily focused on actions rather than words. Without no second doubt, I would say he's one of the best coach, mentor, and guide whom I am found, and a major contributor for the incredible transformation experience. Thank you, Transformation Launch. Thank you, Sam, for everything.